In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update QuickBooks Desktop to the latest version. Keeping QuickBooks Desktop up to date ensures you get the newest features, important security patches, and performance improvements. Let's walk through the process together from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top menu and click Help. From the Help menu, choose Update QuickBooks Desktop. This takes you to the built-in Update Center, where you can manage and download updates directly from Intuit. In the Update QuickBooks window, select the Update Now tab. This is where you'll see the available updates and the controls for downloading them. If you've had issues with updates in the past, like a download that seemed stuck, you can check the box labeled Reset Update. This clears out previously downloaded update files so you get a fresh copy. It's optional, and most people won't need it, but it can help if something didn't install correctly before. Next, click Get Updates to begin downloading the latest files. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. The download time will vary depending on your internet speed, so don't worry if it takes a few minutes. It's a good idea to keep QuickBooks open while the download finishes and avoid starting other large downloads at the same time for the fastest results. After the download completes, close QuickBooks Desktop. If you have any company files open, save your work first to avoid losing changes. When you close the program, you'll be prompted to install the updates. Click Yes to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may be asked for permission by your operating system to allow changes. Go ahead and approve that. During installation, avoid shutting down your computer or interrupting the process. Let it run until it finishes. When the installation is complete, reopen QuickBooks Desktop. This ensures the new components are loaded and ready to use. To confirm you're on the latest version, go back to the Help menu and click About QuickBooks Desktop. You'll see the version and release information there, which should now reflect the most recent update. With that, you're all set and ready to enjoy the latest enhancements and fixes. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.